Find or read reviews that people are talking about. ONETJOY Shima Multifunctional Car Interior Foam Cleaner. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Multi-purpose foam cleaner. Car and home foam cleaner makes your car interior and house restores to their original shine, make your car interiors look like new one. Practical powerful stain removal kit. All-purpose bubble cleaner efficiently removes the toughest grimes and rust from surfaces without causing any damage. Large capacity nozzle. 651 ml large capacity design allows you to clean without worry and saves expensive maintenance costs. Widely applicable. Foam cleaner all-purpose heavy-duty, suitable for a wide range of surfaces in the vehicles, and more, such as fabric, finished leather, glass, rubber, metals, gel coat, and more. A practical cleaning tool to solve the grease messes. Just directly spray cleaner on the desired area. Use towel or sponge to wipe until the stain is removed. Easy to use. All-purpose bubble cleaner fights fading, aging, cracking, and provides UV protection. Just directly spray foam cleaner for car on the desired area. No rinsing is required. Just wipe away foam with a towel after cleaning. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.